William is the newly promoted COO at Acme Widget Company. He recently conquered his operational issues by improving efficiency and increasing throughput with the help of USC Consulting Group. William's current foe, the skills gap in manufacturing and labor shortages. He has noticed as his seasoned Acme Widget employees retire or leave, they take their hard-earned institutional knowledge with them when they walk out the door. The turnover is driving up operating costs, and finding replacement workers with the skills, knowledge, and expertise to do the job, which is increasingly technical, is a growing challenge. But it's not just that. It's finding workers, period. Analysts predict 2.1 million manufacturing jobs will be unfilled by 2030, costing the U.S. nearly $1 trillion in GDP. So how does William retain his skilled workforce while finding new hires? He called his friends at USC Consulting Group. Together, they came up with a plan, an advanced training course to retain employees, and an expediting strategy to onboard new talent. The goal was to upskill current employees with the knowledge they need today and tomorrow, cross-train them to do multiple jobs, and speed up the learning curve for new hires. It was a win-win. Employees dove into the training and became more engaged. They saw Acme was investing in them and their futures, creating loyalty and appreciation on the shop floor and beyond. Plus, William's new hires joined the team quickly and seamlessly. With better employee engagement and training, William saw improved retention along with increased production and reduced operating costs. He created a work environment where his workers were skilled, felt valued, and took pride in getting the job done. The skills gap was closed, and labor shortages were no more. Are you experiencing labor shortages and a skills gap on your shop floor? Give USC Consulting Group a call, and they'll put their expertise to work for you.